Kishtwar in Jammu and Kashmir, relief and rescue operations intensify. South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shalai inaugurates multiple development projects. Health Minister Dr. M. Ampareen Lingdor reviews MCH readiness at Nongstoin Civil Hospital. And Meghalaya Cocoa Association holds trials at Kinchi village in eastern West Khasi Hills district. The news in detail. A devastating cloudburst struck Chisoti village in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar district, triggering flash floods that have claimed at least 60 lives, injured over 100 and left many missing. Relief and rescue operations are underway, led by the Army, NDRF, SDRF, police and local administration. Chief Minister Omar Abdullah visited the affected area to assess the damage, while Prime Minister Narendra Modi assured full support from the centre. Union Minister Jitendra Singh also visited Chisoti to take stock of the situation. South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shalai inaugurated multiple development projects on Saturday, enhancing infrastructure and public amenities in the region. At Madan Laban, he inaugurated a newly constructed road funded under the PWD SPA scheme 2021-22 with a sanctioned cost of Rs 83.73 lakh. The event was attended by Hetman Loster Sun, PWD officers and village council members. Shalai also inaugurated public toilets and bathing rooms at Kinjat Football, funded under the Swachh Bharat Mission 2023-24. These facilities aim to support women who earn their livelihood through laundry services. Additionally, a road at Block A, Kinjat Football, sanctioned under the PWD SPA scheme 2022-23 at a cost of Rs 57 lakh, was also inaugurated.
Dan mostrar ko punya tuya pi menegeri si ngam si Melayu ko na po Delhi arsitek ni lawan Masa Prakash Verma lawan Bipen Perlahan gila balik lang ba mai pero basong balik jungo dengan yo hal cakap tu kan dengan yo ko start ground kamana kalian Robert Stone sendiri jo ni committee hall kadang trekking part pro basong ko tu siapa kadang second phase juga surau ngira yo sanction ngatai barang do umno na kalian ko pludi badu ki kontraktor dalam bukan selap punya see by September first week in Selangor.
Dr. M. Ampareen Lingdor, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, visited Nongstoin Civil Hospital to assess the preparedness of the upcoming Maternity and Child Hospital MCH. Accompanied by local MLA Gabriel Walang, the minister expressed satisfaction with the MCH's progress and met with medical staff to gather feedback. She emphasized that once the MCH becomes fully operational, it will enable focused improvements in key departments like tuberculosis, dialysis and cancer care.
She said back the MCH kalau long fully functional, nilala ban pet kumno pada ban Panbhaya kani ko hospital civil namar ki babong ki departments ki don tam ke shani ki don tam ka active tuberculosis ward ki don tam ka active dialysis ki don tam ka active cancer attention te ladala ham relief ka space hangni menta da kabalik MCH te kamut kala khamba mo.
The 79th Independence Day celebrations in DC Park, Tura, concluded with a vibrant showcase of community spirit, entrepreneurship and cultural pride. The event featured a mini bazaar with over 30 local artisans and entrepreneurs supported by Prime and was attended by dignitaries including Vibhor Agarwal, DC of West Garo Hills, SP Abraham T. Sangma, among others. Highlights included visual arts, crafts, food stalls, live music, games and entertainment. Agarwal emphasized the importance of using freedom to uplift society and fight exclusion.
Part of the event, we had organized a very grand program in DC Park Tura, which we also lovingly called as the Scotland of the East. And during, in fact, the event that is being solemnly observed and gloriously celebrated here in Tura. And as a part of the Independence Day celebrations, we have a lot of activities which we have arranged today in DC Park Tura to keep our community members, to keep all the citizens, the loving citizens of India, and so to call our loving citizens of Meghalaya and West Garo Hills intact in the celebrations of Independence Day.
The city of Shillong was awash in patriotic fervour yesterday as citizens gathered to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of India. After the official ceremony, crowds thronged Police Bazaar, creating a festive atmosphere filled with music, flags and joy. Raj Bhavan was open to the public, drawing long queues of visitors eager to participate in the historic day. Children and elders alike waved the national flag with pride, while Kindailat hosted a special musical program arranged by the government to mark the occasion. The District Legal Services Authority West Giant Hills, in collaboration with the Giant Hills District Bar Association, marked the 79th Independence Day with a vibrant celebration at the District and Sessions Court premises. N.A. Khan, District and Sessions Judge cum Chairman, DLSA, hoisted the national flag, followed by the national anthem. The day's festivities included a 4-kilometer marathon, a tug-of-war competition and a traditional fashion show showcasing local attire. Musical entertainment was provided by Small Town Roots Revival, a Joai-based band, adding a lively touch to the event. Land Port in Dauki witnessed a collaborative celebration of India's 79th Independence Day, bringing together central government agencies including the Land Port Authority of India, Bureau of Immigration, Border Security Force and the local community. The event featured a tree plantation drive in partnership with the Regeneration Meghalaya project implemented by Earth Tree Enviro Private Limited, Shillong. Held in the Land Ports Conference Room, the celebration was presided over by Dr. H.H. Morman, T.C. Chako, Regional Administrator of Land Port Authority of India, Dauki, expressed hope that the collaboration with Earth Tree would help transform the port into a greener space. Da Ihi Sports Club Minsngat emerged victorious in the final match of the Independence Day Cup Under-17 football tournament, defeating Lomperto SYC Meet Mintudu by 2-0 at Kiang Nangba Stadium, Joai. The tournament was jointly organized by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, West Giant Hills, the District Sports Officer and the West Giant District Sports Association. Local MLA Wailat Miki Shila delivered an inspiring address encouraging young athletes to pursue excellence and represent the district on larger platforms. Da Ihi SC Minsngat received a trophy and Rs 30,000 cash prize, while runners-up Lomperto SYC Meet Mintudu were awarded Rs 20,000. After decades of dormancy, archery has made a powerful comeback in Ribhoi district, sparking excitement and offering new opportunities for young athletes. The Archery Association of Meghalaya conducted a special training and scouting session for local youth, aiming to identify talents who could represent Meghalaya at the 39th National Games in 2027. The newly reconstituted Archery Association of Ribhoi will operate under the Ribhoi District Sports Association, RBDSA. The revival effort is backed by renowned archers Risha Siemli and Streamlet Siemli, and training was led by state coaches Mim Bahadur Gurung and Jak Prasad Thapa.
Bio yakni kalat ban scout yakni archer Ribhoi kajing bom dan yakni terekam kini ka archery association ngilap nang kalayam ngilai mata isi yakni ka kabu ban simbyang yakni ka archery laban-laban terkere ya ka national game jungi ka balai ndai sibun kena samla ki selaman wan ban simek interest nam ta kena kajing guys ni na ka association midan kajing kermen ka ba crown yaki kena ki jongi bakini le kai ba bakin nikman na ka dong Ribhoi jungi nang kom na ka step injo in poise ka national level.
The Meghalaya Kho-Kho Association conducted selection trials for boys and girls at Kinchi village in East and West Khasi Hills district. The trials aimed to identify agile and skilled players to represent Meghalaya in Kho-Kho at the upcoming National Games 2027, marking the state's debut in the sport at the national level. President Shri I. Banri Kopar CMD stated that only players aged 15 and above were eligible, and those selected will advance to the final trials in September. He expressed hope that more youth from across districts will participate, helping build a strong team capable of winning medals.
Kani ka trial kadi na kabantaban pankre ya ka National Games kabanlong kani ka state kajungi host na maarajaro nyo. Hadin ba nakaliang jong ka sorkar jong ka state kajungi pangkat ru ba di director jong ka sports and youth affairs jong ka sorkar kajungi kila ai hangi ki state sports association ba kani ka association kajungi kami kaya association nakabanta banginyo ban jit ya ki player ki bakan sai haki bidai ban pankre ya kanika National Games.
And now for the weather report. First, let us take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 78%, rainfall 7 millimeters. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 73%, rainfall 8 millimeters. Meanwhile, in Jowai, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius, and the relative humidity is 72%, rainfall 6 millimeters. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jowai says moderate rain and thundershower is likely to occur at most places. And before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. Cloudburst tragedy in Kishtwar in Jammu and Kashmir, relief and rescue operations intensify. South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shalai inaugurates multiple development projects. Health Minister Dr. M. Ampreen Lingdor reviews MCH readiness at Nongstoin Civil Hospital. And Meghalaya Kho Association holds trials at Kinshi Village in East and West Khasi Hills District. And that's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.
Long